All right, so I am in OSB, just playing around with the 4K output, 4K 24p from the ZV-E10. We have the Movo V10 microphone up on an arm off the camera. We'll see how that goes. You'll probably hear the fans on the Mac start kicking up. Thank you, Intel, in the background. Hopefully I can get to an M1 here and maybe get a little less fan noise or figure out a way to block that from the back. But that's in there right now, so we're testing that with a little bit of compression. It's pretty well straight. This is the straight look out of the camera, 4K HLG profile. We're doing the PP10 HLG3 Rec 2020. So what I've done here is, you can see in the small corner down over there, that I can go in and obviously I can correct whatever I need to. I can kind of brighten these things up a little bit, give myself some contrast. Obviously I need some saturation. I'm looking a little peaked. Colors look pretty good on the white balance. I think I've got that pretty good. Bring up a little bit of red. I still look a little yellow in the face. I'm not sure why on that, but it's definitely, yeah, brightness is really touchy here. But you can get a decent profile just straight out of the camera. So one thing is I was doing was looking at some LUTs. Any of the LUTs that I have in here, these are some Icelandic LUTs from that Icelandic guy. I like the look of his stuff. It doesn't apply in the way that I'm trying to do them, but what you can do is, if you had 100%, the LUTs are just overkill because you can't convert the HLG down properly and whatnot, but you can use that to fade in different looks. Like this one will take and give you that faded look overall. I can go in and find some other ones. Dark Forest, let's see what that looks like as you bring that up. Obviously this is darker, cooler look there. He just has some wonderful LUTs in here to kind of play with. Any of the faded ones, again, as you go to the full faded, it's really just too faded in my opinion, but you can see that you can use any of these that you want. One of the ones that I really like is this ZV-E10. Icelandic, I don't know what that means. I'm probably cussing or something. But this brings in a faded bluish tint to it overall. So yeah, one of the other ones that I really like is the orange film look. Everybody likes that teal and orange. So if I put it over to here, you get that really teal and orange, and I kind of turn Oompa Loompa-ish and not really usable. But you can fade it in and kind of get a look that you like with just using a little bit of that. So that's what I'm doing. It's just playing around with this. We're outputting right now. We're recording 4K 24 as well, I believe. I'll have to check on that. Just going right straight to H264 at about 6K bitrate, and I'll upload this to YouTube and see what it looks like. Anyway, I'm Kale. In case you didn't know, I live in Arizona, and this is the channel, and we'll see if we can kick things back up. But right now I'm just doing some testing for the ZV-E10, trying to get all my equipment back up to speed and possibly start creating some more educational videos, doing a lot of things with instructional technology, some outdoor stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but it'll be something. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions or you have any suggestions, probably more the case, let me know. Thanks.